It's Alyssa again from The Delicious Spoon, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some really crispy homemade pita chips in the air fryer. Really great for any kind of dip that you're going to do. You can even use your air fryer to crisp them up and make them like pizza, but this is just how I do it. It takes about 10 minutes, so easy. You're just going to have some pitas. I like to use Lebanese style pitas. They're very thin. They're not like a thick pita. They've got a pocket inside. And the reason I like those is because when you go to cook them and you bake them, they really crisp up and the layers sort of separate and give you that really extra crispy kind of texture. So I've got 3 here. I am going to use a large chopping knife, and I'm just going to cut them into triangles. Now, they're a little big if you just go around. So I cut them in half, put that off to the side, and then I just cut sort of like mini triangles. So, or as close to a triangle as you can get. The idea is it's just for dipping. So to cut it like a pizza, they get to be a little too big. So I kind of improvise and cut them as I go. So about 3 pitas will do. I'll put those off to the side and then just do the same with the other side. And we're just going to put these off to the side. So we're going to grab a very large bowl, and then I'm going to just toss the pita triangles into here. Oops. Okay, so I have the exact measurements that I use in the recipe card below, or you can go on my website at The Delicious Spoon and look up Air Fryer Pita Chips. But I'm just going to eyeball it because it's that simple and you can't really mess this up. So I've got some olive oil here. You're just going to pour in maybe about a tablespoon and a half. Maybe about a teaspoon of salt. Some black pepper. Not very much black pepper because you don't want them to be spicy. They're supposed to be. I like to eat this with my white bean harissa dip, so it's already spicy enough, but it's perfect for hummus, red pepper dips, I don't know, baba ganoush, all these sorts of things. So anything you want. Veggies. So, okay, so I'm going to then just toss in probably about a tablespoon of dried oregano, and I use dried just because it's better. The olive oil helps all these spices stick to it, so maybe not even a tablespoon. I'm gonna say like 2 teaspoons. Again, look at the recipe card and you'll get the gist of it. And then just massage the olive oil and spices into the pitas, just to make sure that there's not like clumps like that. You don't want that. I'm gonna preheat my air fryer to about 400 degrees because you want them to crisp up really quick, fast. I'm gonna remove this. So this is I like this kind of an air fryer. That's what I use. It's Chefman. I think I got it at Costco. I love it because it's sort of like a mini oven. It does baking, air fry, cooking, toasting. But the toasting, I just throw the air fryer on, or convection bake, and it works faster than the toaster. So I'm just gonna throw these in. Toss them into the tray, and then you're just going to spread them out as best you can. Now I'm going to toss them in for about, they cook pretty fast, so I'm going to put them in, and then after about 5 minutes I'm going to check them. I'm going to use some tongs to just toss them around so that they all get a chance to get browned really well. I mean, it is an air fryer, but you still do have to move them around a bit. And I will put these in the oven and we'll be right back, okay? So there you have it, some really crispy pita chips, all delicious. Crispy. I love crispy. Chips are my nemesis. I can't have them in the house. So you're gonna just love these. But listen to that crisp. So hopefully you like these. These are perfect for a dip, like I said, and I swear you're gonna love me for this recipe. And so will anybody you bring this to. So enjoy. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to cook with you next time. Have a great day, guys.